So if you followed my channel, you know that I've been trying to grow some beans, and I've been trying to grow lentil beans and lima beans. So these lima beans, you can check this out, I have a ton of leaf volume. And I was getting frustrated, and I said to myself, what's going on with this stuff? You know, why do I have just, tons of leaf volume, but I really have no beans? So I had a windstorm come in, and I just decided to look out here and see what happened, because this thing was kind of pushed away, kind of pushed towards the west. So in the process of that, I saw from the inside of the house, I said, huh, that doesn't look like a normal leaf. That's actually a bean pod. So I am successfully growing these things. There's another one there too. So interesting, very interesting. And I'm gonna continue to do what I'm doing. If you're wondering what I'm growing this stuff in, basically it's like a typical potting mix you'd get from Lowe's, but I made my own biochar. You can see that. If you don't know what biochar is, look it up. This stuff helps, especially with sandy soil. I don't know how much it's helping with this, but as far as sandy soils in the past, it seems to help the soil tolerate heat better, and should be pretty interesting to see what happens with this. So yeah, lima beans are the winner right now. I mean, I'm getting the best production out of those versus other ones. Lots of buds. Hopefully those things start producing some serious pods, and that's what's going on. Finally a bit of success.